Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mark. I'm going to be reviewing this Tribit Bluetooth speaker. It's been a while since I've reviewed a Bluetooth speaker, so thank you very much to the manufacturer for sending me this. Let's check it out. And if you like speaker reviews, gadget reviews, mobile reviews, all that kind of stuff, don't forget to subscribe down below. It's a little bit smaller than I was expecting. This is interesting. I just noticed on the side, one of the features it says here is this is waterproof. So this could be a good option if you are going camping maybe. There's not much with it. It's just a USB charging cable. That's quite a nice looking little bit of kit. You've got control buttons along the top. Around the back you've got an aux in and the charging in. Little feet on the bottom to allow it to stand up, and you have this little strap so you can easily pop it on your wrist, or I guess you could wrap that around a bag or on your bike or whatever you want to do. So it shows up in the Bluetooth screen as Tribit XSound Go. Now, because I'm on YouTube, I can't actually play normal music out of this. I'm going to have to play YouTube music out of it to make sure I don't get done for any copyright infringement. So let's just take a trip over to the YouTube library. The good thing about this is if you wanted to try this track out yourself, to have a little listen, you could do. So let's have a little look. This is a track called I Do, as in E-Y-E, Do, available in the YouTube music library. So it's a pretty good volume to start with. Feels a little bit bassy as well. Volume control. See, I'm having to shout over it now, it's quite loud. Let's go all the way to the top. Maximum volume. So I've been having a good listen to the Tribit speaker. Well, I've been doing some work. I've had it on in the background with actual music that I can't play on YouTube due to copyright reasons. It's pretty good actually. I'm quite impressed. I dug out as well. I had a thought while I was doing some work that my favourite speaker, one I still use, actually I take this around quite a lot, is the Edifier speaker. I've reviewed this previously. This is perhaps the best compact speaker I've ever tried. It's quite a tiny one. It's very, very good sound quality for its little size. I've been having a little play around with both of these, having a listen to the same song on both, and it's really close to call. I have to say I really like the little Edifier, but this little Tribit is also performing really well. This, however, does offer waterproofing. It's a nice design. At the moment it's $28.99, which isn't very much for a portable Bluetooth speaker. And I would say actually that's a great sound quality to cost ratio. Normally, when I've reviewed speakers that are about £30 or under, the sound quality isn't really there, or it can be a little bit painful, but you heard this can go really loud, it doesn't distort, waterproof, pretty good sounding, and a nice compact shape. It doesn't come with a case, but I don't think you need that. It feels like it's pretty sturdy. If you pop it in your bag or rucksack or whatever, you could take it around, and it's made from this nice matte material. It doesn't feel like it's going to scratch or have any problems. And you can get this in both black and blue, although interestingly the blue costs a few pounds more. The black's $28.99, the blue version is $32.99. There you go, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please click subscribe, join my tech tribe. If you want to learn more about this speaker, I will put a link in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on my next review.